Imagine sailing from the freezing coastlines of Finland all the way to the warm waters of Ibiza, Spain. That's a journey of over 3,000 nautical miles. Now imagine doing it without a single drop of gasoline or diesel. Most people would say it's impossible, but a Finnish engineer named Lukas Sjöman didn't just prove them wrong, he did it in a boat he built himself. Meet the Helios 11. It looks like a futuristic vessel, but it was born in a humble workshop. Lukas spent around 200 days meticulously crafting this yacht from marine plywood and fiberglass. The craziest part? While commercial eco-yachts can cost millions, Lukas built the Helios 11 for roughly $20,000 to $30,000. It's the ultimate DIY project. So, how does a DIY boat cross a continent without fuel? The secret is entirely on the roof. The Helios 11 is equipped with a massive array of solar panels. These panels feed directly into a battery bank, which powers a highly efficient 6-kilowatt electric motor. On a sunny day, this setup pushes the yacht to a cruising speed of 7 knots. Lukas can travel up to 270 kilometers in a single day. That's 167 miles in a single day. And even when the weather turns cloudy and conditions are less than ideal, the boat can still push through, covering about 70 kilometers on stored energy. Specs on paper are one thing, but the open ocean is the ultimate test. Lukas took Helios 11 down the coast of Europe, navigating different climates. He dealt with changing tides and unpredictable weather. Over 5,700 kilometers later, he dropped anchor in Ibiza. No stops at the fuel dock, no carbon emissions, just pure sunlight charging the batteries while the boat kept moving. Lukas Sjöman didn't just build a cool boat, he created a floating proof of concept. He showed the world that clean energy isn't just a concept for the future, it's here, right now. It can take you further than you ever imagined. If you could build a solar boat, where is the first place you would sail? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible engineering stories.